Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set emergency contacts in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, lock your screen and try to unlock, but don't unlock. Okay, click on emergency call here, and by default automatically two contacts are selected for emergency call. Even without logging into your phone, you can contact these two. Okay, if it is listed here, how these contacts are listed. My phone automatically found out that how I was making frequent calls to these numbers. Oh, so those numbers are have been added. If you want to add some custom numbers, click on plus symbol here, but you need to unlock your phone to set to your emergency contacts. To edit your emergency contacts, you need to unlock your phone. Click OK. Okay, then unlock your phone, and then now you can add some contacts here as emergency contact. Okay, so here click on add emergency contact and select the contact from your phone. Okay, so here I click on Durai Prince, then Hema, Jabba, Jissi, Jairam, and these are all the contacts I would like to add as emergency contacts, and click on done, and they will be now added to the already available contacts. Okay, now go to lock screen of your phone and click on emergency call, and without logging into phone, without putting pattern, I can contact these numbers. Okay, now I contact this. Okay, and click on here. Okay, and emergency call is going. So in this way you can easily add your desired emergency contacts, and during emergency situation you don't need to put pattern to unlock your phone. So you don't need to wait, you don't need to waste your time, or any other persons may have may make contact. Okay, emergency calls from your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.